Hello again, my fellow elementary art teachers.
Do you ever get nervous about fitting all your students' projects safely into the kiln? Hopefully, I can help with some quick tips. Let's get started.
If I were stacking this inside the kiln, this is my kiln on the bottom. I can use different risers at different heights to help raise the kiln shelves. Taller ones, and then I'll do 3 shorter ones for my shorter shelves. So now I have a short shelf here and a tall shelf there.
Using clay slabs as a base has proven to be a great time saver. Check out my video on how to prepare slabs in advance.
Let me show you how to stack things in the kiln. And the reason why I use a lot of slab is because I can stack them and I can get a lot of them in at once. This is something that works really, really well for me, being able to stack them. And I have to be very gentle because of course when they're in that state, they are easily breakable. But you can see how this one's shorter and then the next shelf on the other side will be taller. Some of my clay pieces that are glazed underneath, and then I can add a little bit taller. So now they're able to work that way. When they're glazed, they're not allowed to touch each other. And so I can actually put one here, and now I'm above or over some of these things that aren't below. I do love being able to do this way. It works out beautifully.
If you're new to teaching elementary art and you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.